Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
We are here today to announce our 2024
MotoAmerica Racing plans.
After 3 action-packed, fun-filled seasons in MotoAmerica Junior Cup,
Yep.
we've decided it's time for a change.
Yeah,
Time to move classes. Along the way, you won some races.
Yep. Got third place in the 2023 championship last year.
That was your goal.
Yeah.
You wanted to win it. That didn't happen, but you still came away with the trophy. Pretty solid accomplishment in my estimation.
Mm-hmm.
Many people will show up to MotoAmerica and race week in and week out, season after season, and come away with no trophies. It's very competitive.
Definitely.
Every class is very competitive, and it takes a lot to be able to walk away with any podiums at all. We were fortunate. You earned several along the way, and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, starting off riding in 2017 just for fun. That's when I truly started riding motorcycles to just hear, it's a great experience. And thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
It's much appreciated.
Yeah, 100%, dude. It's been fun.
Thank you to all the STG supporters throughout the past 18 years of us being around, having a good time.
Yes, sir. This is year number 19 that we're in actually now.
Shoot, man.
It's kind of funny to look back on all that. So for 2024, what class are we racing in, buddy?
Racing MotoAmerica Supersport.
So we're going to skip a couple of classes. We're going to skip the twins. We're going to skip the stock 1000, and we're going to go right to Supersport. We're going to be competing on Team Hammer, Suzuki GSXR 750s, full Team Hammer support. We're going to race from underneath our canopy. I will be the chassis technician. I'll be the guy who basically does all the work. Obviously, you're racing. We're very fortunate. Thank you, Ken, from AMA. We were able to secure number
48.
Oh, God, it was cool to be able to keep that because
Always
it just keeps it consistent with the logo. Our intention is to do this for the next 2 seasons and see what we can make out of it. I think this is going to be even more difficult.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I'm going to be, like a fish in just a pond of sharks or a sea of sharks, you know what I mean? It's gonna be
you're swimming with straight sharks.
Exactly. That's what it's going to
100%. This is going to be, I think, the most competitive class in the series next year. Is going to be this next-gen Supersport class.
That's huge.
We've got you on great equipment, for me to build the bike and develop the bike and manage all the setup would be a tall order, and I think it would put you behind the 8 ball. I think that's outside of my skill set. I did pretty good with the Ninja 400, had some help along the way from Stony Landers and some other people. It was very beneficial, but you get into the super sport, that's a whole
different category.
Yeah, that's a whole other skill set.
Miniature superbike.
And that's where it's great to have friends,
Definitely.
And the Ulriches are great friends, and they've been very successful over 40-plus seasons of professional road racing. And to be able to form a partnership with them and to get you on equipment and have support from their team to make sure your setup is correct and we're doing things in the most appropriate manner to put you in the best possible position to do well,
For sure.
I think is a great start.
Without a doubt. Thank you, Chris, John, Cole, and Keith for all your hard work to get the bike prepared. It's going to be a good season.
100%. And with that said, we're going to do something now that we've never done before. We've never went to seek any sort of sponsorship, right? We've always just funded it, self-funded, with support from the brands that we use on the motorcycle, right? The apparel, the helmets, the parts, that's a huge benefit, no question. For the first time, we are looking to form strategic partnerships with brands, products, services that could benefit from the exposure we have to offer. Our e-commerce platform gets millions of visitors per year. We have 140,000 YouTube subscribers. We have a 6-figure email list. We're able to put your product, your brand, your service directly in front of our customers in a way that's measurable. Each click could be measured. You can follow it all the way through if you have your analytics set up correctly. from the click, the visit, to the conversion, if in fact you're set up to take a sale directly. This is a level of exposure that pretty much no other team can offer. While at MotoAmerica, there are a lot of impressions and there is certainly exposure through the TV package.
For sure.
This is literally putting you, your products, your services directly in front of a very focused, supportive consumer group on a high volume e-commerce website. We're not looking for sponsorship, we're looking for partnership. We want to see you win, and hopefully we do some winning ourselves
Exactly.
along the way. If you own a company, or if you work for a company or have a friend that owns a company where you feel this might be beneficial for them, we all need to market, that's for sure. Please put them in touch with us. You can do that via the YouTube comments right here, or you can call us at
888-784-4327. My personal extension is number 248. We also have, honestly, this might sound a little crazy, but personal Facebooks you can message. I'm going to be posting this video on our sportbiketracker.com Instagram, my personal Instagram, Max Van 48, and hit us up from there, and we'll see what we can do. And whoever you are, hopefully something happens in the future. I'm excited. 2024 is going to be great, and I hope that you are along the ride with. So
winning together.
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to leverage the exposure that we have to offer that's been very good to us over almost 2 full decades and help you find the same success that we have through our platform and the support of our close-knit customer base. I can be reached at the shop number, or you can send me an email directly to service@sportbiketrackgear.com.